What's up YouTube? It is Labor Day 2019 and welcome to the first video of my channel Splash Breaks. I'm new to sports card collecting and in the past couple of months I've learned a lot by watching the channels of Pac-Man and Packer Cards 87, and I just also hope to contribute to the community by sharing my breaks, giving insight on products, and hopefully providing some entertainment. And the reason why I've decided to call my channel Splash Breaks is because obviously here we have the Splash Brothers, Steph and Clay, and it's a shout out to my girlfriend. About in 2016, 2017, we met and were watching the NBA playoffs, and that is how we met, was watching the Splash Brothers, and so it's a shout out to my girlfriend. And today we are going to be opening 2018-2019 Panini Chronicles, and this is a retail hanger box, and what's exclusive to the retail hanger box are the green parallels. And when we're opening this box, we're really not looking for anything crazy like autos. I did buy a hobby box, and my two autos in that hobby box were a JJ Redick and a Jose Calderon, so I really didn't get any good rookie autos. But with these hanger boxes, what I'm looking for are these really cool looking green parallels. So here's a Crusade Marvin Bagley that is serial numbered to 25. And it's a really cool card, and I really like Marvin Bagley, what he did last year. And we also have a green Phoenix Shai Gilgeous-Alexander, and this is also serial numbered to 25. And he made the All-NBA rookie second team, but this class was pretty stacked, and you can argue he has quality to be All-NBA first team rookie, and he should do well in OKC in this upcoming season. So this is what we're looking for. We're looking for these green parallels. As far as investment is concerned, I've seen a couple of them go from $20 to $50 on eBay for some of the lower tier rookies. And then of course there's the Lukas and the Trae Youngs that go anywhere from $60 to $100. So let's go ahead and get started with this hanger box. So right on the top, we got a Jaren Jackson Jr., All-NBA rookie first team. We have Wesley Matthews, a KD, CJ McCollum, another Bagley, pretty cool. Again, I really like what Marvin Bagley did last year, and really looking forward to him in his future career. Domantas Sabonis, Ricky Rubio. Okay. And we also have these Classics cards. These Classics cards are also exclusive to the hanger boxes, I believe. So we have D'Anthony Melton. Okay. Kevin Huerter. Another Melton. And a Jerome Robinson. Okay. Another vet there, Vucevic. A green Devontae Graham. All right, another Jaren Jackson Jr. from Studio. Pretty cool. So we've gotten some pretty cool rookies so far. Jaren Jackson, not numbered. Wow, a Trae Young. Marquee Trae Young, pretty cool. Gary Clark. Alonzo Trier, green. All right, Mo Bamba from Phoenix, as in the Phoenix set, not the Phoenix Suns. Whoa, holy cow. You gotta be kidding me. I wasn't expecting this from a hanger box. Wow, a Ray Allen auto patch. Wow. And it's green too. Wow, that is really cool. all for 10 bucks. That's really awesome. That's pretty sweet. I totally was not expecting that. I didn't think you could get an auto from a hanger box. I saw somebody get an auto from a blaster box, but I really didn't think, wow, that is really cool. My birthday was yesterday, so I guess this is some birthday luck there. Pretty cool. That is awesome. All right, keeping it going, DeAndre Ayton, Bruce Brown. Man, all these cards are all flipped upside down. Jerome Robinson, another Shai Gilgeous-Alexander, Wendell Carter Jr., Josh Okogie, Colin Sexton, Miles Bridges, Aaron Holiday, Mitchell Robinson, and Mo Bamba. So overall, man, I am really happy with this hanger box. Wow. I usually don't expect much from hanger boxes, but that is crazy. Let's look at that. Man. Ray Allen Auto Vanguard patch from a $10 hanger box. That is really cool. All right, well, so that was my first video, and I think that was a pretty good break there. So I have gotten pretty heavy into the hobby. I'm probably breaking things weekly, so hopefully I can have weekly updates to my channel. And so thanks for watching.